Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Chandan Kumar. So in this video of Arduino programming, we are going to make our first project. That is, we are to simulate and we have to blink an LED with the help of Arduino. So you just have to drag and drop on this workspace, and I will take one resistor. I will connect one terminal of resistor to the ground, and I will take one LED, and cathode terminal of LED will be connected with the one terminal of resistor, that is cathode terminal you can see here, and one is anode. I will connect this terminal with pin number 13. If you want to change the color of your wire which you have, you can change. I'm keeping it red, and it depends on you which type of color, which color you are going to use for this. So after this we will have to write a program for this to blink this LED. You have to click on code, and in block you have to search here for text. You just have to click text and click continue. After that you will get one code here which is based on C++, and let me tell you about void setup and void loop. Void setup means once anything which you write in this syntax, it will run once. So after that we will see here void loop. If you are writing any code and you want to run it again and again, it will work as a loop. So for that we have already written a code, that is digital write, which is used to on off the LED. And let me tell you something about the pin mode. If you want to understand what is the meaning of pin mode, here you can see pin means the Arduino pins. For example, 0 1 2 3 4 5 etc. We are connected our LED with pin number 13, so the pin will be 13. And if we talk about mode means there can be two things, either output or input. It is the meaning of mode. As we know that LED will act as output device, and we can say that we will send signal from Arduino to LED. That's why we have written here output. After that there is a predefined function that is called LED built-in. It will blink this LED again and again, and after every 1 second there is a delay of 1 second. It will on and off. So let's simulate this code, and we will see how it works. As you can see there, see this, the LED is blinking, but the brightness of LED is not good. For that we can reduce the resistor value. I am keeping it in ohms, and that will be about 220 ohm. So with this, the brightness level of this LED will be increased. Let's see. You can see this, how it is blinking after every 1 second. So in this way you can create your own project for blinking an LED. If you want to change the color of LED, you just have to click on this LED, and here you will see red, and you can take any of this color. Suppose that if I want to take orange, I will just click on orange, and again I will start simulation. Here you can see its color has changed. So in this way you can create your project. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends.